Hello. Little BL at CBTL. Yes.
CBTL pa rin.
CBTL pa din, pero this is not BL at CBTL. So, today we're gonna be sharing, di ba sabi ko last video, we're gonna be sharing our experience with the Kentaro fan meet. Si Kentaro na may sariling ring light.
Kentaro what?
Kentaro Sakaguchi fan meet. So let's start with yung backstory. No, so si Kentaro is a Japanese actor. He initially became famous when he became a part of a movie with Yamasaki Kento. Heroine Disqualified. Second lead siya doon. Pero yung tipong second male syndrome wagas. Yun, as in super, you'll root for him to the highest level dun sa movie na yun. Then after that, it's 100 Love With You. Yun yung isa sa pinakagusto kong ginawa niya. But he has lots more after that. More serious roles, non-romantic roles, mga ganun. Like, so that's him. Now, sa Signal, the Japanese version, yes. So, come this, when was it? March. It was announced he's gonna have his fan meet here in the Philippines. Lo and behold, ang bilis lang. It's like a month preparation lang. Tapos yung fan meet na agad. May 17 yung fan meet. No, hindi. So, mga end of March siya in-announce. Tapos, May 17, fan meet niya agad. So, very little yung chance to make ipon and buy the ticket. So, I ended up buying one ticket only, which is the general admission. Kasi every ticket will have a high buy session. So when you say high buy session, you're gonna be up close to him and you say bye-bye to him. And he says thank you to you, basically. Sometimes it's a hindi high buy but like handshake session. Depende sa artist yon. So, but mostly pag mga actors, high buy lang siya. So, that's what I have. One ticket, me alone, she won't be there kasi wala na akong budget. Wala na kaming budget. No, kasi nanood kami ng concert na ng M2M. So, the thing is, I have a friend who runs a page in Facebook. She became a friend because of the drama din, Japanese stuff. She has like, her page is like 100K followers and more. So, luckily, she was able to get a media pass because she promoted a giveaway for the ticket. 'Cause that's the thing. In reality, the fan meet did not really sell much. Probably kung hindi nagpa-giveaways ng multiple pages and even DCRH was there and stuff like that, you probably won't see the whole venue full because it was full. But then,
Maliit lang yung venue pa.
oo,
1.5 lang.
1,500 capacity, may kinlose off pa silang seats and that. So, but anyway, so mamaya na tayo doon. So, yun na nga. So, ang nangyari is, we were able to get a patron seat. So, the thing is, there's three packages. There's Wish, which is yung VIP, the patron, and Gen Ad. So, from Gen Ad, we got patron instead. So, the patron ticket comes with syempre, high buy session pa din, a poster, and the chance to have a photo op with him. Wala pa nga lang yung picture, so I can't show it to you. Tagal nga, inintay ko eh. Inintay namin, wala pa siya. But the photo session is 1/20. So, meaning, 20 kami sa isang photo, nandun na siya nakatay sa likod. So, something like that. So, with that, being lucky, I gave her the Gen Ad ticket. So, we were able to watch both. Yung original seat na pinili ko was actually very close. Oh, that's nice. It was very close by then to the stage. Kasi nga with our M2M experience, I thought na yun din yung best seat, which is true. It is the best, one of the best seat, kahit nasa gilid siya. So, on the day of the event, she was moved to a different seat dun sa area ng patron. Kasi nga, hindi naman, kinlose off nila yung seat where she's supposed to sit. Kasi nga, hindi naman puno. Tsaka medyo blocked yung view dahil hinarangan nila ng more, parang in-adjust nila yung seats o yung setup ng stage. Naging bigger yung side somehow. So, kaya nakinlose nila yung area na yon.
So, nagmukha siyang puno.
Oo, as in puno. Kasi nga, sarado yung sides na yan. Siguro mga 10, 15 seats din yon both sides nung stage. And then, sabi nga niya, the fan meet is not as exciting as concert nga naman. Kasi it's just basically him doing crazy stuff and things like that.
I think nag-matter din yung MC.
Yeah, because the MC was Fumiya. I don't think he's as
yet.
good as others when it comes to hosting such events.
Like si Suzuki.
So, si Shaw, I think he would have been a better host. Kasi si Fumiya, he's trying his best to speak in Tagalog. But then the artist is, Japanese and he doesn't really understand Tagalog. It would have been better, at least for us, if he does Japanese and then translate it to either Tagalog or English, perhaps. But overall, it was okay naman. It was an okay event. So, he did different things. He did a drawing. Galing pala niya mag-drawing, in fairness sa kanya, ha? He did fast drawing. He played with very lucky fans. Kasi there's two sides of the seats, basically. Two seats sa patron. Kunyari, kung may J1, dalawa yung J1. So, nabunot si Tito, Tito, luckily, dalawa yun, no? So, supposed to be unlucky, but it became lucky kasi inaccept ni Kentaro na, sige, let's get them both. So, they played all together. Tapos, so lucky na even if they really didn't win, they were able to get like a signed photo of him. Tapos, name pa nila yung sinulat niya. So, very, very nice. Tsaka very intimate yung event ko tutusin kasi nga konti lang talaga. It's just an hour or so long. Sayang nga hindi siya kumante kasi I know he sings. But, he did a few crazy things. Like yung sayaw. And he did magic. Magic. Pero the thing that excited me the most was the fact na he really went near the fans. He really tried his best to walk around. Twice. And since we got move seats, since we were able to get patron and she was able to get that seat as well, we were very close kasi nasa edge kami and like, hindi ko talaga siya, pag in-reach out ko yung hand ko, pwede ko na siyang mahawakan. Siyempre, bawal tumayo, baka masipa ang peg ko, no? But, it's really up close. As in, personal mo talaga siya makikita yung mukha niyang, sabi ko nga, may sarili siyang ring light. Kasi he's really glowing talaga. Blonde pa yung hair niya. So, it adds up to the aura. Sobrang puti niya talaga, I swear. We'll add a clip as well after. But, ganyan siya kalapit. If you guys can see. Yan yung sa malayo, no? So, once he moves closer dun sa side namin, nasa right side kasi kami, sobrang lapit talaga. As in, yung pili ko wagas kasi nga, ang lapit niya talaga. I just hope na yung experience na hindi nga masyadong na-sold out yung ticket does not deter other Japanese artists from coming. Kasi,
naman kasi is yung
in the first place, it was their fault naman kung bakit hindi nabenta yun. Kasi, ang bilis na, kasi sinabay pa nila sa concert nung sikat na Korean artist, ano pangalan nga nun? G-Dragon? Basta yun, G something or whoever he is. Kami fan ng Korean, sorry. So, but that basically sinabay nila doon, which is a bigger event and has been announced longer. So yung tao, syempre nakabili na nun. Kahit gusto nilang makita si Kentaro in person, wala na. Wala na yung budget nila kasi mas mahal din yun sa Philippine Arena. And then, yung pa, JLPT pa. Upcoming JLPT. So, syempre, people are reviewing and they already paid for it. So, maliit talaga yung chance na maraming makakapunta. So,
sana mas maganda nga sana
Oo, na we wished na sana pinushback nila yung date. Kasi whatever happens, bayad na si Kentaro nun for sure eh. Kasi normally, I would think na ang nangyayari is you pay for the artist, whether it earns or not. That's it. Kasi based on what we heard, inaccept na ni promoter na it's a loss on their end. That's why pinush nila yung giving away of tickets. Kasi like yung sa friend ko, sa fan page niya, she gave out about 10 tickets, courtesy of of course, of the promoter. So there. I just really wish there would be more. Kasi yung kay Makenyu, it was not really a concert promoter who brought him here. As I mentioned, it's Lux nga. Lux Organic, if I remember it. Or Front Row. It's just two of them, Front Row or Lux Organics. But, since it's like that, ang kwento sa akin, yung kay Makenyu, hindi rin na sold out. Kasi ang bilis din nun eh. But then, since nga members nung group, medyo madami yung tao. Pero since hindi rin napuno, ang ginawa nila, yung mga nasa general, pinamove din nila sa patron. So, parang kinumpress din nila yung tao to make it fuller. So, yon. Yeah, that's the only thing that na feeling ko dapat nilang binago, yung minove nila yung date a bit further. Kasi ang chika-chika sa Grapevine, there might be another artist. Kaya parang pinush nila talaga to ng May. Kasi the next artist might be what? I don't know, October or somewhere like that. But we're not sure. Pero siya, again, chika-chika lang siya, so we can't be sure or guaranteed kung totoo nga mangyari. But hopefully, if ever, sana mga November, December, para may time pa mag-ipon yung tao, di ba? At i-announce nila ahead.
Surprise.
O sana nga i-announce ahead. Yun yung ano lang, sana i-announce ahead.
Yung kay Beverly pa.
Oo, si Beverly pa nasa sayang hindi na ako makakate nun. Kasi VIP tickets yun para hindi sa ma-meet, parang to be there up front the stage. VIP ticket yun sa, what was this, sa comic, I forgot what event yun eh. Anime convention event siya. Toycon? Or, basta, I think it's Toycon PH. Basta, convention siya. Anime convention. Si Beverly naman yung darating. So, Beverly is a Filipina na sikat sa Japan. Singer. Sikat sa Japan. Her songs have been used as openings for like tokusatsu, or like when we say tokusatsu, like Kamen Rider, or what's the other one, that Ultraman, something like that. So her songs have been used there. Kasi at saka sa pala, ginamit din yung kanta niya sa opening ni the Fruits Basket. Ginamit din yung song niya doon. So she's quite known sa Japan. She's coming here. June yata yun. Yeah, Toycon, I think. So, there. Now, going back dun sa Kentaro event, if it was actually really good, syempre, kung mataas yung expectation mo, medyo may iba lang. Kasi hindi siya concert talaga. It's really just the artist being there to be closer to his fans. Yung ganun talaga yung thing niya.
I think they made the wrong decision with the post.
Yeah, but other people liked him eh. Like to me eh.
Pinanda ko si show.
Ang bilis. Possibly. Other people actually would have preferred Denise Laurel. She was the host with Makenyu. Kaya lang nga, with how fast it was, possibly na wala nang time or conflict with schedule. Alam ko may TV show si Denise eh. And si show, medyo busy yun. Alam ko kasi ang dami niyang ganap. So, but for me, it isn't bad. He's just not used to hosting. Kasi syempre, masanay siya yung sarili niya lang. Siya yung ini-interview, mostly vlogging, but he's not used to being the interviewer. But overall, it's really a good event. Sana talaga kung may darating pa na artist, matuloy. And sana, yun nga, mahaba yung preparation time. Hindi siya yung surprise. Oo, hindi siya surprise. But yeah, it's really good. Sayang. Sana nakapunta kayo, no? Yun. Ang swerte talaga ng mga nanalo. I swear, like, ang lapit na nila kay Kentaro. Napasama pa sila ng bola, ng lobo, ng sipa, yung mga ganun peng. Sayang talaga. But, yun na nga. Swerte nila. Nakakuha sila ng Polaroid. Ano kayang picture yun? Na-intriga talaga ako. Sana, anyways. So, yun na nga.
Sa IG.
Baka may picture, no?
Hashtag.
May, perhaps. So, yan. So, after this, I'm gonna be posting, no, a few clips. I'll be sharing a few clips of, the event. Kasi marami-rami yan. Yung pati yung dumaan siya sa harap ko, post ko para makita nyo. Pati yung second na daan niya, hawak niya yung lecheng lobo na yun. Ayaw bitawan kasi nakaharang lagi sa mukha tuloy. Pero ayun na nga. Ang totoo siya sa lobo eh. Nung itatago na nila yung, kasi yung props ng parang
Soccer.
balloon soccer. Ayun yung bitawan yung lobo, nakakaloka. Parang bata. Hanggang natapos hawak niya, hanggang nakalabas siya, nagpaalam na siya, hawak niya pa yung lobo na yan, lecheng yan. Dito rin nakita yung mukha niya doon sa paglabas. Well, doon sa video lang, pero syempre kami nakita naman namin. So ayun, bye-bye na for now. Hello!
Yeah. They want to marry you. Yeah.
Kekon.
But the question is, where do you want to bring to the Japan?
どこだろう
What's
な
your recommendation?
日本に行ったことある人
Who has been to Japan?
あ、でも結構皆さん行ってるんだ
Wow, you guys come to Japan a lot.
前にドラマの撮影してた時に
はい。
Before I filmed my drama
北海道で撮影したんですよ
in Hokkaido.
Nice place.
北海道は多分すごく寒いんですね雪も降るし
In Hokkaido, it's really cold and the snow is always falling.
はい
雪景色というか雪の世界の中をこう歩いてもらったらとっても
Snow World
その冬の良さが伝わるだろうなと思いますね
So when I walk in that scenery of snow, I think that this is really just like Japan's winter.
行ってみてね質問くれた方ですかあ、じゃあ
Okay, so